Sai Ram, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the new topic, direction. Direction is very important topic of all the competitive examination. Okay, let us see the directions. What is direction? Okay, as we know, okay, I will show it in the blackboard. It will be more better. Okay, this is blackboard. As we know, in all direction, in a map, the upper position, the map of the upper position of map will be in the north. Okay, in every map, upper position will be in the north, and this is the south. Opposite of north will be south, and the right side it will be east, and the west side it will be west. Okay, left side it will be west. In between north and east, it is northeast. What is called? It is northeast. Okay, between east and south, south and east, it is called southeast. Okay, east and south, it is called southeast. Between south and west, it is called southeast. Between north and west, it is called the northeast. This is the direction. Okay, upper side is north, down side is south, right side it is east, and left side is the west. Between north and east, it is northeast. Between south and east, it is southeast. Between south and west, it is southwest, and between north and west, it is northwest. This is the direction. Okay, and we should know something about the Pythagoras Siddhanta. Okay, Pythagoras Siddhanta. Why it is required? It is very required to find out the distance between two points. Okay, I will show what is the things. Okay, okay. This is a triangle. This is a triangle, 90-degree triangle. Okay, this 90 degree. Okay. According to Pythagoras, this is called the base. This is called the base. It is called the perpendicular. It is called the perpendicular, and it is called the hypotenuse. Okay. It is called hypotenuse. And suppose if we know the distance between these two positions, A and B, we know the distance between A and B and C. Okay. Then how to find out the distance between A and C? It is the hypotenuse. Okay, how to find out the distance between hypotenuse? It is root base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, this is the base. This is root base square plus perpendicular. So this is the perpendicular. This is the how to find out the hypotenuse? This area. This is hypotenuse is called the root of b square plus b square. B square means base square plus perpendicular square. Okay. Now let us see how to solve these problems. Okay, in directions. Okay. First question says Deepak starts walking 75 meters towards east. Then he turned and walked 25 meters left. Again he turns and left and walks 40 meters. Finally, he turns left and walks 25 meters. How far away from his starting point? This is the question. Let us see how to solve this problem. Okay. Here's the question. Deepak starts walking. Okay. Okay. Question is, Deepak starts walking 75 meters towards east. Okay. This is the starting point. This is the starting point. Okay, as we know, we have already learned it. The right side of the map will be the southeast. Okay, then right side. This right side. Okay, it is how many meters? 75 meters. He starts 75 meters towards east. Okay, then he turns and walks 25 meters left. 25 meters of left. Left of whom? Deepak. Okay, that means suppose if he walk from here to here, left will be here. Okay, left will be how much? 25 meters. 25 meters left. Okay, again he turns, walks 40 meters. Again he turns left and walk 40 meters. So this is the 40 meters. Okay, we have to move towards the left side of the Deepak. Okay, not left side of ourselves. Okay, this is Deepak. We should be a Deepak at that time. Okay, and 40 meters towards the left. Finally, he turns left and walks 25 meters. Again, he left and turns 25 meters. This is the 25 meters. This is the 25 meters. Now, the question is, how far away from his starting point? Now he reached here. Now he reached here. And how far away from his starting point? This is the starting point. How far away from his starting point? As we know, Now he is reached here. This position will be 40 meter. That means 75 minus 40. That means 35 meter. 35 meter. Okay. How far away from his starting point? 35 meter. How, in which direction from his starting point? It is east position. East. But it is not asked. Okay. This is the question. Then let us see the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, Dev walks 75 meter north, then he turns left and walks 25 meter. Again he turns left and walks 80 meter. Then he turns 45 degree right direction. Which is his direction? Now we have to find out the direction of Dev. Okay, let us first we have to picturize the given question. Okay, first we have to picturize the given question. What is the question? Question says they walk 75 meter towards north. This is the starting point. Okay, 75 meter towards north. Okay, now he walks 75 meter towards north. Then he turns left and walks 25 meters. Then he turns left and walks 25 meters. This is a 25. This is a 75 meters. Okay. 25 meters. Again he turns left and walks 80 meters. Okay. Now again he turns left and walks 80 meters. Okay. This is the 80 meters. Now he reached here. It is 80 meters. 80. Okay. Then he turns 45 degree right direction. The right direction of Dev, not ourselves. Okay. 45 degree. 45 degree. We know this is we have already landed. It is a north. It is south. It is east. It is west. Okay. This is northeast. And this is southeast. This is southwest. And this is northwest. Okay, this circle is 360 degree, north, south, east, west. Okay, this what is called 360 degree. It is 360 degree. Okay, north and south is 180 degree, east and west is 480 degree. That means this north and east, it is a 90 degree. It is also 90 degree. It is also 90 degree, and it is also 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. Okay, that means 360 degree. Okay, then from north to northeast it is 45 degree. Northeast to east it is 45 degree. East to southeast 45 degree. Southeast to south 45 degree. Southeast to southwest 45 degree. Means each and every point is 45 degree. Okay, now it is called Dev is reached here. Okay, now he turns 45 degree right direction. 45 degree right direction. That means it is the right. This is the 45 degree. This is the 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree right direction. This is a right. Not our right. It is Dev's right. Okay, this is the 45 degree right direction. Okay, this is the 45 degree right direction. Okay, now question is which direction is his direction? Which is his direction? Now he is suppose. This is the this central portion of the on position, means where the Dev reached. This is the central position. Now this is the right position. That means it will be southwest direction. It will be southwest direction. We should keep this picture in our mind. Okay. This central portion is our own position. Own position in the sense where we reached. That is under our own position. OWN, own position. Okay. Now this is south position is his direct, and southwest will be right direct 45 degree, and southeast will be his 45 degree left direction. Okay. That means now he is in right degree 45 degree. Okay. That means southwest position. Okay. Got it? Got the point? Now let us see the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, Arun walks towards north 10 meter. Then he turns south 6 meter. Then he turns south 6 meter, walks 6 meter. Then he turns left and walks 3 meter. Find his distance and direction from the starting point. This is the question. Okay, let us see how to do it in the blackboard. Okay. So you have to clear the blackboard first. Okay. Okay, what is the question? Question is, Arun walks towards north 10 meter. Arun walks 10 meter north. This is the starting point of Arun. Then he walks 10 meter towards north. Then he turns south direction and walks 6 meter. Okay, this is north. The south means again the same point. Again, this is same point is the south direction and walks 6 meter. This is the 6 meter. Then he turns left and walks 3 meter. So this is 3 meter. This is the 3 meter. This is the 3 meter. Okay, now he reached here. Okay, find his distance and direction from the starting point. This is the starting point. This is the ending point. Which the direction is this? We have to find out the direction and distance. Okay, this is the distance is 6 meter. The total is 10 meter. This is the 6 meter, and then this is the 4 meter. This will be 4 meter. Okay. Now we have already learned it is Pythagoras Siddhanta, hypotenuse. That means it is the root 6 square plus 3 square. 6 square plus 3 square. That means root 36 plus 9. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. It is not, it is a 4. 4 square plus 3 square. Root 4 square plus 3 square. That means root 16 plus 9. That means root 25. That means 5 meter. The distance is 5 meter. The distance is 5 meter. Then which will be the direction? I have already told you it is a north, east, south, west. Now this is the starting point. Okay, this is the ending point. Which will be this direction? It is northeast. Okay, that means 5 meter northeast is the answer. 5 meter northeast will be the answer. Okay, got the point. Now let us see the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. What is question number 4 says? A man is facing north. He turns 80 degree clockwise and 60 degree anti-clockwise. Again 120 degree clockwise and finally 50 degree anti-clockwise direction. Find his direction. Okay. Here they gives us the anti-clockwise as well as the clockwise direction. Okay. How to solve this problem? Let us see. This is a question. A man is facing north. Okay, a man is facing north. Okay, a man he is facing towards the north. Okay, then he turns 80 degree clockwise. This is the north direction. Then he turns 80 degree clockwise. Then 60 degree anti-clockwise. Then again 120 degree clockwise. Then 50 degree clockwise. Okay, we do one thing. How many degree he clockwise and anti-clockwise? We have to just add it. A man facing north, he turns 80 degree clockwise. 80. Just write 80 degree. And 60 degree and a man he turns 80 degree clockwise and 60 degree anti-clockwise. It is a 60 degree anti-clockwise. Again he turned 120 degree clockwise and how many? Finally he turned 50 degree anti-clockwise. The total 120 plus 80, that means 200 degree. 200 degree clockwise and 110 degree anti-clockwise. Okay. Now let us see how to solve this problem. Okay. This is the man facing now. Okay. Now he turned 200 degree clockwise and 110 degree anti-clockwise. Then which will be the greater one? That means clockwise. The one 200 minus 110. 200 minus 110, it is 90 degree clockwise. That means a man is facing northwest and 90 degree clockwise. That means it will be in the east side. It will be east. Okay. It will be east. Which will be the direction? It will be east. Okay. Because he is facing north. Okay. Then suppose if you turn clockwise 90 degree, it will be in the east. Okay. Got the point? Now let us see the next question. Question number fifth question. Okay. Fifth question. If southeast is called east, northwest is called west, and so on, what will be north be called? Okay. If southeast is called east, southeast को हम east कहते हैं, northwest is called west, northwest को हम west कहते हैं, तो what will be north be called? then इसको north को हम क्या कहेंगे? This is the question. Okay, let us see how to solve the problem. Okay. First, before solve the problem, we should know direction again. Okay. You can picturize that what is called. We can 1 minute. We can draw the picture of direction. This I have already told you, it is north, south, east, and west. Okay, north and east it is northeast, and south and east southeast, and south and west southwest, and north and west it is northeast. Now picturing, this is the real picture of the directions. Okay. Now he say so problem is says southeast is called east. This is the southeast. Okay. This southeast is called, this is the southeast. This southeast is called east when one point towards the left side. This southeast is just called east. Okay. Then next is southeast is called east. Northwest is called west. This is the northwest. It is called west. It is also going one point towards the anti-clockwise. Southeast is goes to 1 point anti-clockwise, and northwest is also going to 1 point anti-clockwise. Okay. Then what the north be called? Then what it is a north? Then what is north be called? It is also goes to 1 point towards the anti-clockwise. 1 point towards the anti-clockwise. Then what will be its direction? What will be its direction? It is the what will be its northwest. It will be northwest. Sorry. Will be northwest. Okay. North 1 degree anti-clockwise, 1 point anti-clockwise means northwest. The northwest will be the answer. Okay. Then let us see the next question, question number 6. I think you got the point. Suppose if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, you can ask me directly. Okay, phone number is already given in the box. The question number, next question, question number 6. Sixth question is, a watch read 4:30. Okay, a watch read 4:30. Its minutes hand points towards the southeast. In which direction in our hand points? Okay, that now time is 4:30. Its minute hand points towards southeast. Okay, actually, it is the southeast. Okay, I will explain the blackboard. That will be more better. It will be more understandable. Okay. Okay, this is the clock. This is the clock. 12, 6. It is 12, it is 6, it is 3, and it is 9. Okay, now 4:30. It is 4, it is 5. Okay, this is the clock. 4:30. 4:30 means the hour hand will be between 4 and 5. Okay, the minute hand will be in 6. This is the 4:30. Okay, actually the minute hand indicates 6. 6 means it is a south direction. Okay, please see the left side picture. Okay, 6 is indicates, that means minute hand indicates south direction, and hour hand indicates southeast direction. Southeast direction. But in problem it is says a watch read 4:30, its minute hand points towards southeast. Okay, actually this is the south direction, but it is called southeast. Southeast means this is the southeast. That means one point towards the anti-clockwise. Okay, then suppose the hour hands, minute hands indicates the southeast. In which direction our hand points? Okay, then suppose south, what is called south indicates southeast. Then southeast indicate it will be the east side. Okay, the our hand, actually our hand in southeast point, but it should be give a point the east. Okay, that means our minute hand indicates southeast instead of south. The our hand indicates east instead of southeast. Okay, that means the answer is east. East will be the answer. Okay, got the point. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 7. A child is looking his father. He went 90 meters in the east and turned right and went 20 meters and again turned to his right and went 30 meters to look for his father at his uncle's house. His father was not there. From there he went 100 meters towards the north. Before meeting his father in a street, how far away his father from the starting point? This is the question. Okay. Okay, let us see how to solve this problem. I have already shown in the question paper also, even if I will make understand you in the blackboard. Okay. First we have to clear the blackboard. It is one of the easiest topic. Okay. Nothing to worry about it. Okay. Here a child starts his point. Now he is the child. He is the starting point. A child is looking for his father and he went 90 meters in the east, towards the east. 90 meters towards the east. Okay. He started walking 90 meters towards the east before looking his father. And turned right direction. Right direction of whom? The child. Then right direction 20 meters. Okay, 20 meters he turned right direction and walked. Again he turned his right direction and went 30 meters. This is the right direction of this child. Okay, again this is the right direction. Okay, 30 meters. Okay, 30 meters to his father's uncle's house. Okay, this is the uncle's house. Okay, but not seen there. Okay, his father was not there. From there he went 100 meters towards north, then 100 meters towards the north. It is 100 meters. Okay, towards the north. Okay, 100 meters towards north. Before meeting his father in a street. ओके वो उनको जो फादर को जो उनको स्ट्रीट में मिल गया, उस स्ट्रीट में मिलने तक के लिए वो 100 मीटर he went 100 meters towards the north to meet his father. Okay, how far away his father from the starting point? This is the starting point, this is his ending point. Father was there. It is the total distance. This is the 100 meter. This is a 100 meter. Okay, Okay, this is the 20 meter. This is the 20 meter. This is the 20 meter. Then it will be a 80 meter. 80 meter. Okay, this is the 30 meter. That means this will be a 60 meter. Okay, okay. Now we have to find out the root, square root of 60 square plus. We have to find out the distance. This distance. Okay, 60 square plus 80 square. 60 square plus 80 square. Okay. 60 square means, what is 60 square? It is 3600. That means root 3600 plus 80 square means 6400. That means root 10,000. That means it is 100 meter. Okay. The distance between this starting point to ending point, it is 100 meter. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, I think you got the point. The next question, you can see the next question. What is the next question? One evening before sunset, Shanta and Radha were talking each other face to face. If Radha's shadow was exactly to the right of Radha, which direction was Shanta's face? Okay, one evening before sunset, Shanta and Radha were talking each other. एक शाम के टाइम पर शांता और राधा आपस में जो बातचीत कर रहे थे फेस टू फेस होकर. Okay, राधा शेडो वॉज एक्जैक्टली टू द राइट ऑफ राधा. राधा का जो शेडो जो है राधा की ही राइट साइड में है. इसका मतलब क्या है? राधा की ही राइट साइड का मतलब क्या होता है? जो सनसेट, सनसेट मतलब इवनिंग टाइम. इवनिंग टाइम हमें पता है द सन विल बी इन द वेस्ट साइड इन द इवनिंग टाइम. सन विल बी इन द वेस्ट साइड ऑफ द इवनिंग टाइम. दैट मीन्स द शेडो विल बी इन द ईस्ट साइड. ओके, सपोज this is the sun. Okay, then suppose Radha is facing, suppose Radha is standing here, the shadow will be right side of Radha. That means Radha, this is the left side, and this is the right side. Okay, the shadow in the right side. That means Radha is facing towards the north. Okay, and Shanta, this is the Radha. Here it is the Shanta. Shanta is facing towards the south. Okay, south is the answer. Okay, suppose again I will make you understand. That means it is Radha. It is it is Shanta. Again I will say you. This is Shanta and this is Radha. Okay, it is sunset time. Sunset in the evening time. Okay, that means the sun will be in the, this is the direction. It is north, it is south, it is east, and it is west. In the evening, the sun will be in the west side. Okay, this is the sun. Sun was going to set. Okay, now Radha is here and Shanta is here. Okay. Suppose the shadow of the Radha will be in the right side. That means Radha is facing towards north. Radha is facing towards the north. The shadow of Shanta will be left side of Shanta. Left side of Shanta. Okay, because Shanta is facing south. Shanta is facing south, and her shadow will be in her Shanta's left side. Okay, this is the left side of Shanta. This is the right side of the Radha. Okay, understood? That means Radha is facing towards the north. That is why the shadow became his her right side. Shanta is facing towards the south. That is why her shadow will be in her left side. Okay, now here question is, where Shanta is facing? Which direction was Shanta is facing? Shanta is facing south. South is the answer. Shanta is facing south. South is the answer. Okay. Okay, let us I think you got the point. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 9. Study the given information and answer the following question. There are 6 checkpoints A, B, C, D, E and F. Checkpoint F is 25 km to the north of B, which is 35 km to the northeast of B. Checkpoint A is 15 km west of E and 35 km to the southwest of C. B, A and E are in straight line. The checkpoint B is 70 kilometers west of E. The question is, which post is the nearest and to the northeast of E? Second question is, if a G moves from east to F via A, B and D, how much distance will it have to cover? Third question is, which checkpost is the farthest to the southwest of T? These are the 3 questions. Okay, before doing the answer, we should picturize the given, what is called given statement. Okay, this is our blackboard. Before picturizing the given statement, we should clear the blackboard. Okay. What is the question? Read the statement first. There are 6 checkposts A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Checkpost F is 25 km to the north of D. Okay. Suppose if it is F. Okay. Suppose it is F. What is the question? Checkpost F is 25 km north of D. Okay. Then this will be the D. Okay. 25 kilometer. Okay. This is the F. This is D. Okay. The F is 25 kilometer towards the north. Okay. And which is 35 kilometer to the northeast of B. Okay. This D is 35 kilometer north. Which is the position? And which is 35 kilometer to the northeast of B. That means B ka northeast. That means here it is B. This is the north of B. This is the northeast of B. That means how much? 35 kilometer northeast of B. D is standing. The checkpost of D is 35 kilometer northeast of B. Okay, got the point. Now, B. Okay. Now, points statement C. Checkpost A is 15 kilometer west of E. This is E. 15 kilometer of west. This is the west. Okay. What is called? Checkpoint A. This is the A. How many? 15 kilometers. This is the west side. Okay, that means A stands, E is 15 kilometer westward. Okay, means A is 15 kilometer away from the 15 kilometer towards the west from E. Okay. Now next question is next point is of E and 35 kilometers southwest of C. Okay, this is C. Southwest. This is southwest of C. This is C. South. This is south. This is west. Okay, southwest of C. That means this is 35. Okay. Now, B, A, and E are in the straight line. Okay. B, A, and E. Okay, this is B, A, and E. Okay, these are in the same line. Okay, B, A, E are in the straight line. That means because this is E, this is this is 15 kilometer. E to A is 15 kilometer towards the west, and C here will be C. This is 35 kilometer. Okay, it is north east of northeast, okay, of A, okay, or we can say southwest of C. This is also said. That means A is southwest of 35 kilometer away towards the southwest, and C is, we can again say, this is the northeast of A. Okay, okay. Then question is, next point is BAER straight line. Okay, the checkpost B is 70 kilometer west of E. This is the E, this is the B. That means the total distance from B to E, it is 70 kilometer. Okay, E to A 15 kilometer, A to C 35 kilometer, and A to B, it is 55 kilometer. E to B, it is 70 kilometer, B to D 35 kilometer, D to F, it is 25 kilometer. Okay, now we picturize the given statement. Now what is the question? Which post is the nearest and to the northeast of E? Northeast of E. This is E, this is the north, this is the east. That means EC. The answer is C. Okay, northeast will be C. Okay, the question is, first question is C. Answer is C. Question number 2. If a jeep moves from E to F via A, B and D, how much distance will it be to cover? E से F जाना है via A, B and D. Then 15 plus 55, yeah, in the total 70 plus 35, 105 plus 25, that means 130 kilometer. Question number 2 is 130 kilometer. Which, next question number 3 is, which checkpost is the farthest to the southwest of D? Which checkpost is the farthest to the southwest of D? This is the D. Southwest, that means B. This is the D. Okay. These are the questions. Okay. Suppose if you do not understand, it is seen again and again. Okay. It is very easy. And suppose if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Okay. Let us see the next question. Next question. A person start from his house, travel distance. Okay, these are the same question we have already learned it. Okay, you please practice. Okay, Sai Ram to all.